Hey everyone, get ready to become a Kandji expert because in this short video, I'm going to walk you through some of the top things that IT teams do with Kandji and show you how you can do it too. These are the three areas we're going to cover: zero-touch deployment for devices, securing devices and getting them fully compliant, and automating OS and app updates. Let's jump in. So first up is onboarding and configuring devices with zero-touch from IT. With Kandji, users can receive a device, unbox it, power it on, and it's instantly provisioned with everything they need, from configurations to apps and security policies, all without you ever touching the device. Let me show you how that works. In Kandji, you start with creating a blueprint. A blueprint is where you're going to put all the apps and configurations that you want to assign to a device. To get started, you can choose a CIS level 1 or 2 template, which creates a group of library items for those essential security profiles and adds them all to the blueprint. Each library item is pre-configured for you, so it's really fast to get devices up to a secure baseline. Now, for the zero-touch deployment piece, you will need to have Apple Business Manager set up. If you don't, you can still enroll devices manually. You can also check out our training videos which talk more about this at kandji.io/getstarted. So I've already created these two essential library items. Automated device enrollment is where you're going to customize the setup configurations that are provided by Apple. And Liftoff is where you create a beautiful onboarding experience that shows users what's being installed on their computers before they get to work. So I'll just drag them in. Now, any device you add to this blueprint will automatically enroll into Kandji and get that branded setup flow with Liftoff and receive all the baseline security configurations. Next up, you're going to want to enable comprehensive security on your Mac computers, both to protect you from threats and to fulfill requirements for compliance certifications like SOC 2 or ISO 27001. Let's start with deploying endpoint detection and response. You go to the Avert library item, enable it, configure your protection, and then just add it to your blueprint. That is it. Now you're protected from both regular malware and sophisticated attacks targeting companies that run on Mac. You can see any threat events that do come up in the threats view and dig into their details to explore what happened and why. Kandji Vulnerability Management takes an inventory of all the apps across your systems and matches them against known vulnerabilities to show you your risk exposure. You can use the vulnerabilities view to see all the vulnerabilities in software across your devices and then take action, like updating an app or blocking an app to remediate it. So these three things, device management controls, threat protection, and vulnerability management, come together to provide end-to-end protection and compliance for your Mac computers. All right, I saved the best for last. Let's look at how you can put app patching and OS updates on full autopilot. To automate your app patching, just choose an app that you want to keep up to date from the Auto Apps catalog and configure its installation and update enforcement. Now that it's in your library, head over to your blueprint. And in this scenario, I only want to install this app on marketing computers. So I'll create a new conditional block, create rules that are using user attributes from my identity provider, and then just drag the auto app in there. And now it's really rinse and repeat. You can do the same with hundreds of apps and with your operating systems. Once it's set up, Kandji will handle all the tedious work for you to keep your apps and your operating systems always on the right version. And it will also take care of some of those finer details like proactively prompting users to let them know when an update is necessary before the enforcement deadline. So whether you're onboarding new devices, enforcing strong security, or looking to reduce IT workload with automation, Kandji is the tool that can help you do more with less, securely and at scale.